Hi everyone, it's Joanne. This rolling knife sharpener kit, one of the easiest sharpening tools I've ever used. I received this rolling knife sharpener kit from Onyx Core. First off, you get these really nice gloves that keeps your hands protected so you don't get cut while you're sharpening. So this magnetic base is actually a game changer. The magnets are strong and they hold the knife securely in place, so you're not guessing what angles to worry about. It really stands out with this 5-angle system. It's got a 12-inch angle, a 15-inch angle, 17-inch angle, 19-inch angle, and a 20-inch angle, and a 22-inch angle, which also shows on top. So I can choose the exact angle I need, and that's something most sharpeners just don't offer. Rolling design makes everything feel smooth and controlled instead of struggling with traditional sharpening stones. It glides right across the blade. I tested it on several knives and all noticeably sharper in under a minute. It has the included diamond discs, like a 400, a 1000, a 3000 grit. It really completes the experience. You can go from sharpening to polishing in one system, and the finish looks clean and professional. So if you think about buying this, but you feel hesitant because knife sharpening tools can be a little intimidating, this system removes the guesswork and makes it simple, fast, and honestly kind of satisfying to use. Overall, easy, effective, solid upgrade from traditional sharpening methods. Definitely something I'd recommend for a kitchen setup. You will love it. He will love it too.